Hey, in this video, I'll show you a very quick and simple way to actually fix the live activity not working on your iPhone in 2023. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button on this video because it really helps out. The first thing you obviously need to do is have iOS 17 or higher if you're watching this video in the future. So you want to head over to your settings, you want to click on General, you want to make sure you click software update, and here you want to have the newest versions. You want to click on update now and make sure that is done 17 or higher. The next thing you want to do is obviously you need a newer iPhone, right? An iPhone 11 won't work it. So live activity pretty much looks like this. All of these things are live activity. So to set those up, you want to go over to your settings. You want to click on notifications, which should be in somewhere around here. If you cannot find it like me, you can go over to the search tab and type in notifications, but it's right here, right at the start. And here you have different notifications. Some have live activity. For example, when you go over to their notifications, like here, you want to have the notification switched on, but also if you have live activity, for example, I think Rentastic has live activity, so let's go over to it. Spotify should have it as well. So you click here and you want to have all of this on, and Spotify notification settings, you can also set them up from here, but basically you want to have notifications on. If you're still having the issue, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll try to help you out. If you're new, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I want to see you next one. Bye.